Hey guys, it's Zach here, unboxing my new Lego set which I've just started unboxing in Bevel Displayed, and I will give you loads of content. So we got through the first layer. This is the first layer. Just an empty box that inside looks really cool. And now, right, forget about all the MINDSTORM stuff. Forget about the box shell. Open it up. You're wondering why I'm taking so long, because I'm using a set of keys. I might put a link in the description to Sunday. This is the first bag I pulled out. It's got a bunch of tires and stuff in it. Second bag, more stuff with the worm drive and the instructions. Whoa. And some more stuff. And first Lego motor. First Lego giant motor I've touched out of this brand new set. And now this is the main brain of it. Where's the keys? There's the keys. I'll show you the main brain of it. I'll tear the box a little bit. Bear with me a second. I'm rubbish at opening stuff there. Here's the main brain. And here's the instructions it came with. I'm in a hurry because the phone doesn't record that long. Look, this is a 360 view, top, bottom. Now back to the bags. More stuff, more wheels, some strange pieces with clips and stuff in. There's the infrared sensor in this box with all the other sensors. So this is the touch sensor, this one's the motion sensor, methinks, and this one is the another motor. The other square one is. This is some gears, wheel bits and stuff. Here's some cables to connect it. Here's some more gears and stuff. Then another big motor. And now some clips. Last bag, methinks, no. This is a bunch of connection cables, and then this one is another packet of, and some more stuff. And first Lego motor. First Lego giant motor I've touched out of this brand new set. And now this is the main brain of it. Where's the keys? There's the keys. I'll show you the main brain of it. I'll just tear the box a little bit. Bear with me a second. I'm rubbish at opening stuff there. Here's the main brain. And here's the instructions it came with. I'm in a hurry because the phone doesn't record that long. Look, this is a 360 view, top, bottom. Now, back to the bags. More stuff. More wheels. Some strange pieces with clips and stuff in. There's the infrared sensor in this box with all the other sensors. So this is the touch sensor. This one's the motion sensor, methinks, and this one is the another motor. The other square one is. This is some gears, wheel bits and stuff. Here's some cables to connect it. Here's some more gears and stuff. Then another big motor, and now some clips. Last bag, methinks, no. This is a bunch of connection cables, and then this one is another packet of clips. I've set up everything. I've got the batteries and I've got the brain and the controller. Now, if I go to the first page, that's not the first page. See, look, I can only build tracker in this book, and the rest of them I need to build online. So here's tracker that I'm going to build. Here's the rest that need to be built online. I've got the batteries, and I've got a screwdriver here, which needs a screwdriver. So you can make a tracker in these instructions, but the rest can be made online. So there's tracker, there's the rest that you build online. Now we need to put the batteries in. So you see I've got my brain. This one's a clip-on. And then I've got my Energizer batteries, which are AA's. So I'll just skip ahead in the video if you want to skip this. If you don't want to see me doing this, skip ahead in the video. That's what I meant. Wrong end. And so, right, it should come alive. It's alive. So now I put this in here. So you can't see the grey underneath these bits here. And then I clip it in. It's alive. It's starting up. Now, this is why I have the screwdriver. So, look. This is why I have the screw. Oh, it's alive. It's turned on.
What sort of screwdriver is it?
It's Phillips. Everybody. I'm having a little bit of trouble unscrewing. Righty tight lefty, loosey lefty, loosey. I'm a beginner anyway, so I won't be as good as PewDiePie or Markiplier yet. I have an 1,000k like goal. Well, maybe 500 like goal. Mum, can you do it? Guys, I can't seem to find it now because I'm kind of blind as well. There we go, found it. So in this bag, I don't know which bag this is, but I found them. So I take one out and then I tear this bag open with my strength and I take another one out. So I stick it into the least amount of holes on the smaller side, and I grab another one and now we need to put the pegs, which are just be lazy and open up the smallest packet. Well, it's kind of big, and there that. Open kind of gently and place them in these slots here. So I'm going to need 4 for the other side. It might seem a little boring right now because all you hear is the clicking, but I'll get to some fun stuff in the next part, methinks. And now I grab, where are they? They're in this bag. Or one is, it looks like. And the other one's in a different bag. So I clip it on. There we go. And then I grab this one. Open it up. Put this one on. And there we go. That's much better than the other one. And I turn the page the opposite way that you're going to see it because I'm upside down. It's upside down for me, so I see it differently than you. So it's going to look kind of strange. Oh snap, I dropped it. So you see, clipping these bits in. I'm having to quickly put that one on the floor for a second because I couldn't see anything. Now, right, I have done these bits. Now we need to do the other side. So get the same bit, but it's kind of going to be a little bit harder because I need to try and wedge it in. So keep forgetting which bag it's in anyway. Yeah, that's in line. I thought it wasn't in line for a second. I was like, oh my god, mind blown. Yeah, so now where are these? The red pieces, the red pieces, the red pieces. Here, in this bag. I open up this other small bag, open it really gently so no parts go flying into midair. Now I we'll place it down, where's my base plate? Here. I put it like this. Now you might be thinking, how does this clip, how does this go together? I'm thinking that as well. So, you see I might be having a little bit of trouble doing this because Mum's just pointing at it, even though I don't know. Like that. There. Did it. Boom. On the edge. Poop. No. There we go, back in place. Now I just clip it right in. Dark plier. There. So you see the motor's in place. Next page. Ooh! This is looking interesting. So, I grab these 4 pieces and I put them here, all in these end slots here. And then I get this one here, the controller, and I've built the unit. So on number 1, it can drive with both tracks, and on number 2, it can only do it with the red ones and spin left and right. That's all I've got for you today. Bye. Guys, I've just built this right here, and I've just did what this says. It's got a demonstration one, so I'm going to show you the demo now. That, as you can see, I'm controlling this right now. I just adjust to these so they're right out, and then I go forwards a little bit, not backwards, forwards, and then I go like that. It goes like that. And then it can go the other way. Why does that do that now? It just does that randomly, Mum. Yeah, it's hitting the ground. It's just... that slightly touches the ground. But if I like tip it out a little bit,